Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to knit a popcorn stitch border. So let's get started. Okay, I have 2 rows of stockinette stitch and I'm going to leave 2 stitches between each of my popcorn stitch. So I'm going to knit into the first 2 stitches. Now I'm going to make a popcorn stitch in this stitch. So I'm going to work into the same stitch and I'm going to work in the back, in the front, and in the back again. So I have 3 loops, and now I'm going to transfer those 3 back on my left needle, and I'm going to knit all 3 together, and that will form that popcorn. Knit 2 more stitches, 1, 2. Now I'm going to knit a popcorn stitch in this stitch, in through the back, in through the front, and keep these loose, don't go too tight, and then in through the back again. I have 3 loops and I'm going to transfer all 3 over onto the left needle again, and then knit all 3 together. And there's the first one and the second. Now knit 2 stitches, 1, 2, and I'm going to make another popcorn stitch in through the back, in the front, and in the back again. At 1, 2, 3 loops, pass them back onto the left needle, and then knit all 3 together. And I'm going to knit the next 2 loops. Like that. And that's how easy it is to knit the popcorn stitch.